what I love about, this book, The Millionaire Motivators, is that it's people that are in the same kind of business that I'm in, motivating other people. But what you really help me to understand is how, we are all unique and individuals, and how motivation can come about in a variety of ways in quite a different lot of contexts. So, for example, you've got Todd Hutchinson from People Rich, who I've had the pleasure to work with and share the stage at conferences. But really, seeing how he is now working, and how his philosophy and helping behaviourally and those changes of behaviour in massive corporations. And I love knowing that, listening to him and how he's devised the key elements in profiling people and helping people understand why they're not getting what they want at their occupation, because they maybe have been employed for the wrong position. And don't know a lot of people like that. Somebody else that I'm so excited, who I actually nominated to be in the book, was Patrick Hollingsworth. Now, Patrick has overcome depression, went on and climbed Mount Everest, and I had the unique opportunity to work with him in coaching him in creating his own champion mindset and overcoming his obstacles to actually get in the right mindset. And he shares how he's overcome his obstacles to achieve his Everest, which was actually climbing Mount Everest. So very exciting.